Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to maybe your Bybit account. I told you in my previous video how to deposit into your Bybit account, but from your Trust Wallet, but I couldn't explain much because of the interface of the Trust Wallet that I need to update. So I had to update the Trust Wallet. So now after updating the Trust Wallet, so I will now do what? I will now explain how you can actually transfer from your Trust Wallet to your Bybit account if you have USDT. So you need to have USDT to be able to trade on Bybit. So now when you download Trust Wallet, if you don't have Trust Wallet, go and download Trust Wallet, and then come to the interface here. You are going to create a wallet, and keep your it will give you a seed phrase. So it will give you a seed phrase. So the seed phrase is just it's like a key to get access to your wallet. So if you misplace that seed phrase, the seed phrase are in form of words, different words. So make sure you keep it in the safe place. Then it will tell you to enter your passcode. So the passcode is what you're going to be using to enter your wallet. And should in case you misplace your phone, you're going to need your seed phrase to get access to your phone. So if you misplace your seed phrase, you will not be able to access your wallet again. So that's why you have to keep your seed phrase in a safe place. So now, without much ado, let's dive in. So when you get access to your wallet, now this is how you are going to transfer your USDT. So you come to the interface. So click on this search bar at the top here. This search bar at the top, click on it. So when you click on it, search for USDT. I told you that you are going to use BEP20. So you can use any network, but you can use either Tron or BEP20. So but I'm going to recommend BEP20 because that was the address I copy. So this is BEP20. You can see this BNB. So click on it. So when you click on it, so this is it. You can see. So you come back to it. Just click on the search bar. So click on the search bar. Okay, this is it. You can see. Click on it. So that is it. So I've already done it. You can see. So immediately you choose that BEP20 USDT BEP20 network, it will show here as recent. If I have not done your own, it will be empty. But if I have done it, it will show here. So just click on it. Then it will bring you to this interface. Then if you want to send, you click on send. If you want to receive, you click on receive. So because I want to send, I'll click on send. So you enter the address that you copy from Bybit. So you enter it here, you paste it here. You enter the amount that you have in your Trust Wallet. So I don't have any this is just a random wallet that I'm using to create this video. So just enter the amount. Click on amount. Let's say 500. So any amount, or maybe 10 USDT. So it depends on the network. That it depends on network that you are going to. It depends on network that you choose. So let's say you choose Tron. So you come here and search for USDT. Tron. Now this is Tron. You can see. This is Tron. Click on it. Click on Tron. You can see. So you can see that this is Tron. So that was here from the BEP20. So don't go and send money to run network, or else you lose your phone. So that's why if you understand this video, you have to watch this video very well. Watch it very well, understand it. Now, if you want to transfer, let's say you want to receive money into your Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a very standard wallet. It's a standard wallet that is being used by most crypto investors to keep their funds. So it's a good idea that if you have a huge amount of money in your Bybit or Binance, it's a good idea that you keep it in your Trust Wallet, because Trust Wallet is a secure wallet. Is designed mainly to secure your funds. So if you have money in your Bybit, you can actually come here and deposit into your Trust Wallet. So to deposit money into Trust Wallet, just click on Fund Wallet. Click on this Fund Wallet. Click on Fund Wallet. Click on this Fund Wallet. Then click on Deposit from an exchange or wallet. So if I deposit from other exchange, click on this. If I deposit from another wallet, click on this. So let's say I deposit from another exchange. Click on Deposit from another exchange. Click on Deposit from. So you can see deposit from Binance or deposit from Coinbase. You can see, for those of you that will deposit from Binance, click on Binance. You can see. So any coin you are depositing there, just click on it. If you are depositing BNB, let's say you are depositing BNB, just click on BNB. So you click on BNB again. Click on BNB. So it will give you your address. So it will give you address. Then just copy the address and go to that wallet or exchange and do what? And deposit and withdraw it to this address. You can see. You can use any of the coin. You can use any of the coin. So if you are getting value from this video, subscribe to my channel. And share this video. So thanks for watching. Bye.